Hey guys, IHRA acquired Memphis International Raceway in Millington, Tennessee. So then I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. And there are other places as well to find more information on it by going to a bunch of different news outlets that are in Memphis.